Tracy and I'm the Cleaning Fairy, and I'm going to show you some cleaning tips. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your kitchen cupboards. First you need to remove all your items from your shelf, like this. And this is also a good chance to get rid of things that you don't need. Then you will need your vinegar and your water. Spray all over your kitchen cupboards like this. With your cloth. That's it. Make sure you clean all your edges, all your sides. Like that. Now for these little awkward bits of the corners there that you just can't get into and clean very well, you can use a bit of vinegar like that, and using your cotton bud you can get right into those edges like that, all along the sides. As you see, that filthy that you've missed, along there, along there, and even on your hooks here. You have a little clean with your kitchen towel. Just dry off any of the excess water, vinegar. And then you continue to the next shelf, moving the items, vinegar, water, your cotton bud for your edges and all your screws, and then up to the top. Then what you can do is finish off by doing the back of your cupboards, like that. All the way up the top. Kitchen towel, dry it all off, and then to finish it off, make sure you do the outside. And then if you've got a stainless steel handle, all you can do with that to make it nice and shiny is use your baby oil, just a tiny little bit like that. And then over your handle like that. And that's how you clean your kitchen cupboards.